Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and this is going to be my first design team project for Claire Scraps as a guest design team member. Today I have for you this fun acrylic Memorydex card set. There are 3 Memorydex cards in here. Make sure you can see the Clear Scraps logo. So cute. And as you can see, there are 3 in here, like I said. So exciting. There is a film on them that has to be removed. And again, there is the information there. And the names and links of all of the products that are Clear Scraps will be down in my description box below. Thank you, Susan, so much for this opportunity. I am super excited to work with your products. Look, guys, look. Oh my gosh, magical. Love, love, love. So I am going to be working on all 3 of these and doing the same techniques, okay? But today we are going to be working with this particular Memorydex card. I will do the same thing that I'm doing with this one, just a little bit differently. And you have to remember to follow Claire Scraps and their blog. All of the crafters that are on the design team are amazing and very inspirational, so head over and check it out. Okay, so today I am going to be doing some wet stenciling. I will also be using some dies from my stash, but this is all about Clear Scraps and their amazing products. Okay, I should maybe show you the other items that came in my design team package. How about that? So you can see what we're going to be doing in upcoming videos. I have this chipboard frame here. They have a lot of products, so please head over and check them out. I am going to make a Memorydex card holder, obviously, because I'm making some Memorydex cards. Got to have a holder. And then I have these Memorydex cards. These are chipboard. This magic mini album, but it's not a mini, it's huge. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I can't decide which one's going to be my finale, but I think this will be my finale project. And then this. Oh my gosh, super excited with all of the magical themed items that are out and about. I am super excited to work with Clear Scraps products. And here is their card. Susan Phrase, thank you so very, very much again for this opportunity. Okay, let's get to crafting. Okay, I have used a die from my stash to punch out a stencil that I'm going to use. And I'm going to take the film off of the Memorydex card. Super exciting. I believe you can even run these through the embosser. I do not have an embossing folder that I want to use with this particular theme that I have in mind. Whoops. There we go. Oh my gosh, how clear, right? You can barely see it. Okay, wow, super clear. Okay, so let's stencil this up. How have you been? What are you up to? What have you been crafting? What's new? Yes, I'm going to ask all the nosy questions. I have a clear mat that I have put down on the table. Just an inexpensive mat I grabbed, from Dollar Tree. So I can clean it up really easy. Make sure you protect all of your surfaces when you are stenciling. And let's get a little bit more. There we go. Smoosh it in. And I kind of want it thin, you know? So you'll almost see through it. Voila! There we go. How cool is that? Okay, I'm gonna let this dry and I will be back in a moment. Okay, and now I want to take this one here and use a flower stencil on it. There we go. Nice and thin. And then just scrape up the excess so you're not wasting it. Okay. And voila! Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. Okay, set that over here to dry. And then we're going to do Mickey. Okay, and now let's do this one here. Oh boy, you can't see. Oh my gosh, it's Mickey's head. They are that clear, right? They are that clear, you guys. Like, wow. Super clear. I'm gonna go at an angle with this one and just have some fun stenciling. There we go. And then I'm going to move it. Voila. Okay, and now that's going to dry. Meet you back here in a moment. Okay, now to save time, as you can see, I have die cut all of the pieces that I'm going to use to embellish the Star Memorydex card that I showed you earlier in this video. And, you know, it's the theme of, you know, birthday, going to, you know, the amusement park and going on rides, and that's what I got from this really cool Memorydex card. So this is how I'm pretty much going to assemble it. I'm going to do my best to assemble it this way, and I'm going to use a matte gel glue and hoping that it will come out the way that I plan. Okay, let's start placing our embellishments. Okay. There we go. Get that on there really good. Since it's a metallic. Okay, now this guy. Okay. Put this down. And this one. Get these glued on. And now the happy birthday. I hope I put this on right. The vision was there. And there we go. That's what I'm gonna go with. And I think it's super cute. It's gonna dry and then I will move on to the next one. Okay.